Hi, how's it going? Today I'll be showing you how to use the map object in JavaScript. So map is essentially just an object that allows you to throw key value pairs. For example, we can use a map to keep track of how many animals are inside a zoo. We can start by declaring a new variable called zoo to a new instance of map. So now zoo is a map. We can add entries or we can add key value pairs to the map by using the set method. For example, we can say zoo dot set zebra and 5. Then we are saying now we have 5 zebras inside this zoo. So zebra is the key and 5 is the value. We can see the same thing a few more times. You can say gorilla 2 and monkey got 76 inside the zoo, and the lion that 10. Now if we refresh Chrome and we can simply type zoo and we will just log out the zoo. You see here we have 5 zebras, 2 gorillas and 76 monkeys and lion of 10. Perfect. So now what if you want to find out how many zebras are inside this zoo? Well, we can use the get method on the map. For example, we can define a new variable. Let zebra count equals to zoo dot get zebra. So get accept the key as a parameter and then returns the value. So you should see 5 as the value. So just log out the zebra count and we get the 5 number. So refresh 5 already. Let's get rid of that. Okay, now we can also quite easily loop through each key value pairs inside the map using a for loop. So down here we can talk about for. Let's let key value of zoo. So key and value are temporary variables that will be updated as we loop through each entry inside the zoo. So now here we can log out console.log. We can say key and value. So this will do this logout for each entry inside the map. Now we can refresh and we can see zebra 5, gorilla 2, monkey 76 and lion 10. Beautiful. Alright. You can do a bit more with maps, but this right here is essential, the basic uses that all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you later.